Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. And today I would like to talk about fitness. So I have installed one app that is just for me. Fitness is that you already do all the household work. I'm talking about the ladies, that they already do the household work, they already do some kind of fitness in some other way. But I have installed the app of belly fat reducer. So that app is really very nice, and it is a 30-day challenge. I hope it helps me out. And after 3 days they give 1 day of rest, and also per day they have all types of exercises and they show you how to do it, and timings are there, and it's really very nice, very comfortable. And those who are not savvy with the technology, with the apps, they will also understand how to do it. So it is really very nice. Those who want, they can comment below. I'll mention the app name, and also if you want, I'll show you after this one pic of that. Okay, so it's really very nice. You can also search in Google App Store, that is your belly fat reducer. You will get it. Even the boys can also see it. It's really very nice. According to that, you'll get some similar apps, and in that you are going to get it, apps regarding boys also, to enhance your muscles and reduce your belly too. So you can just see, scroll it. It's really very nice and user friendly. So those who are interested, they can really do it, and it will really help out. And just due to this corona issues, many of them are at home, so it will be really nice. At least it's not going to start now soon. So you can just complete it in 30 days and you can see the result. Better if you don't miss any of the day, because I had missed 2 3 days, I could not do it. So if you be continuous, then it will be really helpful to you. So there are many other workouts which you know, then you can do it. And also one more important thing, whenever you are doing workouts, exercises, just see that you are empty stomach. Don't have everything, food and all, also breakfast you do it and then suddenly you start. Every time whenever you do it, even when you do yoga is also very helpful, but you should know how to do it. Okay, you don't do it anything in any other way, means any fold which gives you a muscle strain. So better do it when you know it fully. So better use such type of apps which is guiding you properly, and it helps you to do it what you want exactly. It will give you result. Okay, so whenever you're doing this, read it, or you can even go through some YouTube channels where they will guide you for the basics, what you have to do earlier, or when you can do it. Generally when I started doing yoga first, so at that time I read these things, that you have to do it in such a way where you are empty stomach, or like in the morning after you get freshen up, you can have this yoga exercises before taking bath, or you can do it in the evening time. Okay, where you are not means after the afternoon nap you can take it, because you're almost 3 4 hours gap you get it after your lunch. Okay, so these things really matter. So it helps you to burn your calories, and also it will help you to reduce your extra fats. Okay, so you can follow these, and it will really help you out. And once you know what are the workouts, what are the exercises, even after the 30-day challenges, you can do little 5-minute exercises, so it will help you to be active whole day. Okay, and it really helps if you are working the whole day, means you are working lady. Okay, and if you have too much of low workload wherever you go, office and all, then this really helps. 5 minutes only, if you do it, it really freshen ups your mind, and it really helps your body actually, because you have to do all kind of work at home also, at office also. So that really helps your body. See, Kabir, good morning. Actually, I got feedback that they want more of the Kabir in the videos. So here is Kabir. And again, he's still not taken bath, still in night dress, enjoying. And yes, I'll post one picture after this of the that app. So do follow and properly take the guidelines given by them, and you will see the result properly. Okay? Yes. Okay. Bye bye and bye bye. Bye bye. And follow my channel, subscribe my channel, and keep commenting if you have any queries. Bye bye. Karo bye bye. Bye bye. Bye.